input from others and valuing diverse perspectives. 3. Conflict resolution. Critical thinking can be instrumental in resolving conflicts by promoting empathy and understanding. Explore different viewpoints, actively listen to opposing arguments, and strive to find common ground. This approach encourages respectful dialogue and fosters constructive solutions. 4. Continuous learning. Apply critical thinking to enhance your learning experiences. Evaluate the credibility of sources, critically analyze information, and actively engage in discussions and debates. Embracing a growth mindset and seeking feedback from others will further expand your critical thinking skills. Building resilience through critical thinking. Introduction. In a world choked with constant change and unforeseen challenges, resilience has become a crucial attribute for individuals to possess. Resilience enables us to adapt, navigate hurdles, and grow stronger in the face of adversity. While resilience is often considered an inherent trait, it is also a skill that can be cultivated and honed through various practices. One such practice is critical thinking. In this article, we explore the significance of critical thinking in building resilience and offer insights into how it can be fostered and applied in our everyday lives. Understanding critical thinking. Critical thinking is the ability to objectively evaluate information, analyze situations, and make informed decisions based on evidence and logical reasoning. It involves questioning assumptions, challenging biases, and embracing open-mindedness. When applied effectively, critical thinking empowers individuals to approach problems with a proactive mindset, enabling them to overcome obstacles and adapt to changing circumstances. The link between critical thinking and resilience. At its core, critical thinking enhances resilience by providing individuals with the tools necessary to navigate and thrive amidst uncertainty. The ability to critically analyze situations allows us to identify potential roadblocks, anticipate consequences, and develop proactive strategies. By challenging our own assumptions and biases, critical thinking helps us remain flexible, open to new ideas, and adaptable to changing circumstances. It equips us with the mental agility needed to bounce back from setbacks, find alternative solutions, and persevere in the face of adversity. Fostering critical thinking skills. 1. Cultivate curiosity. Curiosity is the fuel that ignites critical thinking. Embrace a mindset of continuous learning and actively seek out new experiences, perspectives, and knowledge. Engage in diverse forms of media, read widely, and question the information presented to you. 2. Embrace skepticism. Develop a healthy level of skepticism towards the information you encounter. Question the credibility, bias, and validity of sources. Seek evidence and corroborate information from multiple reliable sources before forming an opinion or making a decision. 3. Develop analytical skills. Enhance your ability to analyze information by breaking down complex problems into smaller, more manageable components. Practice identifying underlying assumptions, evaluating cause and effect relationships, and considering multiple perspectives. Engage in critical reading and engage in thought-provoking discussions with others. 4. Encourage reflective thinking. Dedicate time to reflecting on your experiences, decisions, and outcomes. Analyze your successes and failures, and consider the factors that contributed to them. Reflective thinking develops self-awareness, enabling you to identify areas for improvement and adapt your approach accordingly. 5. Emphasize problem solving. Engage in deliberate problem-solving exercises that prompt you to think critically and develop solutions. Seek out opportunities to tackle challenges and apply critical thinking skills in your personal and professional life.